Hi everyone. In today's session, let's try something different, something new. So, if you open Instagram nowadays, mostly people are saying like track your expenses, maintain a budget, track your budget, and see how much you're actually spending based on your budget and all, right? But very few people will tell how to track your expenses, what's the easiest way to do that, and all these things, right? So, how to maintain the budget effectively. So I thought this particular Excel will help you in tracking your budget, expenses, and seeing how your financial journey is going on. So I have prepared this small basic level of expense tracker. If you are interested in receiving this Excel workbook, let me know in the comments by mentioning your mail ID, and I'll be sending it to you right away. So here is the small summary which I have created. This is like the basic version which I have created. If you want any modifications to be done, or if you want to add any advanced charts or advanced filters, you can let me know. I'll modify it according to your needs and I can share as well. Here we have the basic expenses and the total expenses, surplus deficit, percentage of needs, want and savings, and the budget and actual calculations. And we have some presentation, pictorial presentation of expenses and 50, 30, and 20 rules. And here is the actual sheet where you're going to update your expenses. And if you are interested, just let me know in the comments. Thank you.